So mainly when we're looking at floor coatings, we're looking at the three different types being an epoxy floor coating, a regular sealer, or you're looking at a polyurea and polyaspartic floor coating. Your sealers are great if you're just looking for something that's going to just you're okay with paying the price to have someone come and redo it once a year. And you're just looking for just a standard kind of like a little bit of a glossy look on top of your concrete floor. And then if you're looking for more of a colored finish, then you can either get into your epoxies or you can get into the polyureas and polyaspartics. Your epoxies, those are going to be a multiple day process to install because there's cure times in between each layer that you want to do. And you can do multiple layers, as many as you want for an epoxy coating. The standard is usually between 2 and 3. And then a polyaspartic coating, it's a 2-part system, and that is all done by us in just one day. Yeah, today we're out in Novi doing a garage floor with polyurea, polyaspartic, and usually that's our bread and butter that we're gonna do. They're getting the color Pebble Beach done on their floor. It's a 2-car garage, around 450 square feet. And, it's about 2:13 right now in the afternoon. And these guys, I could imagine, are going to be finishing up the floor in about an hour or so.